Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure the phone has enough power and a quick backup in place. This prevents data loss if a restart fails. Once done, remove the SD card to rule out external storage conflicts, then hold power until the menu appears. You press and hold the reboot or safe mode option until the phone prompts you. This forces boot into safe mode so only system apps run. Doing this isolates third-party apps and confirms whether a downloaded app is causing instability. Once the device boots into safe mode, you inspect settings and the apps list looking for recent installs or updates that coincide with the problem. Make targeted changes. Disable or uninstall one suspect app, then reboot to normal mode to test. This stepwise approach narrows the culprit. Also monitor performance and battery for at least 10 to 15 minutes to see if the issue persists. This method helps you separate app-caused problems from system-level faults efficiently and safely. After identifying the offending app, you reinstall only from trusted sources and review permissions to prevent recurrence. If problems persist despite safe mode diagnosis, clear the system cache via recovery to remove corrupt temporary files. This often resolves weird boot loops. If that fails, back up everything and perform a factory reset as a last resort because it restores system integrity. If uncertain, use recovery to wipe cache first. It's less destructive and frequently solves issues without full data loss.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.